Decoding for Kids. In this video, let's fast play the Dance Party AI Edition game, all puzzles in one stretch.
Okay, now let's play puzzle 1 to 10 in a fast manner. This is puzzle 1. Now I'm going to drag this first block and put it over here. You can see the cat is being created on the left side. Now if you drag and put the next block and if you click run, you can see the cat dancing. This is puzzle 1. Okay, to go to the next puzzle, click continue. You can just skip the video. This is puzzle 2 and here you're going to create a effect for your dance party. For that, you're going to create the block and click three emojis of your own choice. And if you give generate, the new effect for your dance party will be generated. If you give use effect, you can see the effect on the left side. Okay, to continue, click continue. Yeah, this is puzzle 4. Here also you're going to generate a new effect for a different song. For that, if you click the block and you're going to create three new emojis. And if you give generate, the new effect for your dance party will be generated. Now give use effect and if you click run, the new effect will be created. Yeah, to go to the next puzzle, click continue. You can just skip the video. Here in this puzzle, you're going to customize the effect it creates. For that, you're going to click the block and you're going to give regenerate. In this, for the same three new emojis, the different effect will be created. And you're going to give use effect. And the second thing is you're going to use the code here. For that, you're going to give code. The code behind the block will be displayed here. If you give use code, instead of the block, the code will be displayed. The third thing is give start over. And if you click the block and you're going to create three new emojis of your own choice. And if you give generate, the new effect for your dance party will be generated. Yeah, that's it. If you give use effect and run the program.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
Yeah, click continue to go to the next puzzle. You can just skip the video. Here in this puzzle, you're going to control the dance moves. This is nothing but if you click the run button and if you click the left and the right arrow key, you can see the dancer moving. Yeah, give continue to go to the next puzzle. In this puzzle, you're going to code your dancer to move when you press a key. For this, we are going to drag this block and put it over here. And if you click run and press the up arrow, you can see the dancer moving. Yeah, give continue to go to the next puzzle. You can just skip this video. Yeah, in this, the effects change at specific times in the song. Here, the measure 3 and measure 5, they have already given the effect for your dance party. If you click run, you can see the effect changing. See, the effect got changed at measure 3 and at measure 5. To go to the next puzzle, click continue. Here in this puzzle, you're going to generate an effect for your dance party at measure 2. For that, I'm dragging the block and putting it over here and clicking three emojis of my choice. And if you give generate, the effect for measure 2 will be generated. Give use effect, and if you run the program,
Come on, come
this level, you can click continue. Yeah, this is puzzle 10 and it's finally over. Now this is nothing but the you're going to use the skills that you have learned and create a dance party of your choice. Yeah, then if you click finish, the game is over.